Welcome back to BG News. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency investing. Cryptocurrencies have been making headlines for their unprecedented growth and potential to revolutionize finance. But what exactly are they, and how can you invest wisely in this digital asset class? Let's find out. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that utilizes cryptography for security and operates on decentralized networks known as blockchain technology. Unlike traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies are not controlled by any central authority, such as a government or financial institution. Bitcoin, introduced in 2009 by an anonymous individual or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto, is the first and most well-known cryptocurrency. It serves as a digital alternative to traditional currencies and has gained widespread acceptance as a store of value and medium of exchange. Ethereum, launched in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin, is another prominent cryptocurrency that has garnered attention for its innovative smart contract functionality. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. They enable a wide range of applications, including decentralized finance, DeFi, decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. When investing in cryptocurrency, diversification is key to managing risk effectively. Diversifying your portfolio across different cryptocurrencies can help mitigate the impact of volatility and market fluctuations. Additionally, it's essential to conduct thorough research and stay informed about market trends and developments. Cryptocurrency investing requires a long-term perspective and a willingness to weather short-term volatility. While the potential for high returns exists, it's essential to approach investing with caution and only invest what you can afford to lose. Remember, patience and discipline are crucial to success in the cryptocurrency market. Cryptocurrency investing offers a unique opportunity to participate in the future of finance and technology. By understanding the fundamentals, diversifying your portfolio, and maintaining a long-term perspective, you can navigate the digital currency market with confidence. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to BG News for more insightful content on cryptocurrency and beyond.